Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own ice pen at home. So the things that you need to make an ice pen are a plastic bag, a little bit of water, and then something to write on. So if you're at home and you maybe have a chalkboard or some black paper, those would all be really good things to use. I don't have black paper or a chalkboard at my home, but I do have some conditioner, and I poured some onto this plate, and so that's how I'm going to show you how my ice pen works. So if you want, you could pour some soap, or you could maybe have someone help you at home to get rice on a plate or something where you can use your ice pen and you'll be able to see the letters, because we're going to be practicing with our ice pens how to write our names or other certain letters. So I also wrote my name on a piece of paper so that I could use it to practice my letters. So in order to make the ice pen, you need to get a plastic bag and some water. And we don't need to fill up the bag all the way to the top. We just need to fill it up like almost this much in the bag. So really not that much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I can pour the water inside the bag. And I really didn't do so much, just a little amount. And then I'm gonna close it up. So if you need help with closing the bag, you just have to pinch the parts at the top. Someone I'm sure can help. And then it's just gonna go right in the freezer. And it'll probably have to be in the freezer for about an hour or two so that it can freeze to make your ice pen. So now I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's all done and frozen. So this is what my ice pen looks like. It froze a little bit, and I can use it to practice my writing. So I'm gonna add a little bit more conditioner on the plate so that you guys can see all the letters that I'm gonna practice writing. And then I'm just gonna spread it all around so that you guys can see. And then I have a towel here because my hands are now have a little bit of conditioner on them. Okay. So the first letter in my name, does anyone know? I know that it's in a few friends' names in pre-K. It's an L. So I'm gonna practice my L with my ice pen. So you go down and across. And now I'm gonna cover it up. And I'm gonna practice my next letter in my name. So the next letter I can see is an A. So I'm gonna use my ice pen to make an A. This is a little A. So it doesn't look like a big A. It's a little bit smaller. And it has a bit of a circle with a tail at the bottom. The next letter in my name is a U. So I'm gonna make my U. And I'll show you. And then I have 3 more letters. So I did L, A, U. Then I need to do R, E, and N. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the R. Oops. And then the E. This is a little E. There's the E. And then I have one more letter to practice, and it's an N. And that's what it looks like. When you're practicing with the ice pen, my hands get a little bit wet and cold. So if you want to take a break or maybe wear a glove with it, that could be fun. And then when you're done with your ice pen, you can choose to either maybe put it in the sink so that it'll melt, or you can put it back in the freezer if you want to try again. Bye, friends.